All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlackFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good information. Today we're talking about AMP token. Guess what, everybody? It's up. It's up about 9%. It's between 5 cents and right below 5 cents. We're going to go to Coin Market to show you this. But the coin is up right now. It's making an upward trend. Things are going good. 9% up growth in the last 24 hours. Fantastic. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. On this channel, we want to teach everybody and help everybody learn about cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? It is going to be here to stay. We know Tom Brady today on Sunday is going to be talking all about what he's getting into, all about cryptocurrency. We're going to go over that a little bit. But Tom Brady's giving out Bitcoins to fans, doing trades. We'll go over that too. AMP token, one of my favorite tokens. So, all right, everybody, let's jump over to AMP token. All right, we're over here at Coin Market. Take a look at AMP number 65. It's up 9% today in the last 24 hours. It's literally kissing the 5 cents, 4.4999. Take a look at that. AMP token 65, up 9% in the last 24 hours. Yeah, everybody, this token is going up. And in the last 7 days, it's up 5%. So AMP token, take a look at that. It's over 5 cents. So there it is, 5 cents. It's up 10% in the last 24 hours. So guess what? We were talking about making sure the coin stayed below 5 cents so you could load up. I don't know what you're doing, but guess what? AMP token is over 10% up in the last 24 hours. So taking a look here. Yep. Look at this spike up here, everybody. It's going up. I mean, this is like a skyscraper hitting this thing. But up to 5 cents a token right now. Up 10%. Now here's some of the important things. The circulation, again, is 42 billion amps. That's at 46% of the circulation. That means there's 54% of circulation still going to be able to be circulated. A lot of good things going on here. What is AMP token? For the viewing audience that don't know what AMP token, because we do know that barely anybody even knows about AMP token, here we go. AMP is described as a new digital collateral token offering instant variable assurance for any kind of value transfer using AMP network like Flexa can quickly secure transactions for a wide variety of assets to use in cases. How does AMP work? AMP claims to be a straightforward interface of variable collateral through a system of collateral portions of collateral managers where collateral portions can be designed to collateralize any account, application, or even transactions, and carry balances were direct variable on the Ethereum blockchain. The blockchain. That's right, everyone. The collateral managers are smart contracts that can be locked, released, and redirected. Collateral in the partitions are needed in order to the value transfer activities. AMP supports a wide variety of cases of collateralization, also introducing the concept of strategies. So the big thing here is the token is up over 5 cents. Awesome stuff. You know, I still think this is big. Amazon is considering bringing AMP token in 2022. I mean, I know this is old news, but is it old news? Because this is at the end of the year. The end of the year is 2 months away. I don't think this is old news anymore. Amazon is thinking about it. What are they thinking? Okay, well, here's what they say. The Insider Reviews Amazon team is presently looking at 4 different cryptocurrencies, and AMP token is one of them. Now, we also know Shiba Inu is one of them, and Matic and Hulk is one of them, but this is literally in the next 60 days, in 2022, is when this is going to be happening. Well, AMP token right now at 5 cents, it's up 9 or 10%. Everybody's always sad that it's not growing. What's growing today, everyone? It's growing. So what is it going to do with Amazon? What do you think happens in 60 or 90 days? I know everybody's been quiet. Right here it says the sole reason Amazon is looking to incorporate a lesser value coin is that the easy, accessible, and much more affordable for customers to purchase and pay. Why not everyone is comfortable using the Bitcoin and Ethereum as prices are so high, they would rather use a smaller coin. Also right here, I think this is big. It says right here, they're going to basically narrow it down to 2 cryptocurrencies in 2022. So they're narrowing it down to 2 cryptocurrencies in 2022. How long is 22? Oh yeah, 60 days from now. And what are the 4 that are on the chopping block? Here they are, everybody. Shiba Inu, AM token, Matic, and Hulk. Okay, these are all the 4 cryptocurrencies that they're already knowing they're doing. I mean, usually behind the scenes, if in 60 days it's happening, they kind of probably already know which two. We just don't know which two. This is big, gigantic news, everybody. Yeah, when you see this, and Amazon's got the AMP token, and AMP token is helping, rumors of Amazon partnering with AMP fuels a surge. Yeah, but the reality is it's 60 days from now, everybody. Take a good look at that picture right there. Yeah, that's what it could look like in the next 60 days. We don't know, but we know it's in the news. And what else do we know? Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Share this video with your friends. We want everybody on the planet to know about cryptocurrency. We're talking about all kinds of Shiba Inus, AMP token, Cosmos, baby Bitcoin, all kinds of different tokens we bring to this channel so everybody kind of knows about it. The Squid Game, we were talking about the Squid Game. That token is up crazy right now. So you want to check that out and stuff. So let's go ahead and check out some more AMP token. Here's another one. MOCHI DeFi is now actually accepting the AMP token right here in their Twitter thing. AMP token can be deployed and collateralized on MOCHI DeFi. Now, the nice thing about this is another platform that you're going to be able to buy, sell, get your AMP token. So here's another platform that's accepting the AMP token. So another more great news about AMP token. And let's not forget here, a few months ago, that Income Payments partnered with Flexa to enable seamless digital currency accepted for merchants. The retailer Income Payments can easily now accept fast and secure payments using Bitcoin, Ethereum, and dozens of other cryptocurrency. Again, Flexa in the background is partnered with Income, and all of a sudden Walmart is thinking about trying to do stuff with Income. So there's all kinds of great stuff going on. Oh yeah, that's right. The coin is up right now, everybody, 9 to 10%. So a lot of times people are sad and blue about the token. No sense being sad and blue. 9 and 10% right now. What are my predictions? So again, all our information on this channel is for educational purposes only. I think the token's going to get back to that 11 or 12 cents. Will it happen by the end of the year or will it happen in the first quarter next year? I don't know. I'm kind of patient with my AMP tokens. I'm kind of holding it. I'm not looking to just get into it and 4 days later decide to make a profit. I'm kind of like a patient, put my money in. But when you have Amazon and Walmart and all these different things talking about the AMP token and the biggest buying season of the year is coming up, literally at the end of the year here. And what else? Sheetz gas station. There's 622 of them that are using the Flexa network, using the cryptocurrency, all kinds of awesome stuff. Hey, everybody, it's Sunday. What's Tom Brady doing right now? Yeah, everybody, Tom Brady says he gave a Buccaneers fan a Bitcoin to repay him back for giving the football back for his 600th career touchdown. A Bitcoin? That's right. Tom Brady here, Mr. Kennedy, is like a local legend now. He gave back the football to Tom Brady for his 600th touchdown. But look at what Brady was saying. He joked with the Manning brothers on Monday Night Football, and he basically said that on Monday Night Football that he's chipping in and gifting Kennedy a Bitcoin. Byron lost all the leverage when he gave up the ball. Brady joked with the Manning brothers. He should have held it. So he's basically giving him a Bitcoin at the end of the day. So he pretty much did pretty well. So all I know is we got celebrities now giving out Bitcoins and stuff. I mean, pretty awesome. Here's where we're going to be seeing all day today in all the different markets.
About something?
Yeah, we talked about it. I got another 10 years left. Maybe 15.
Not that. This is big. What do you think? Are you in?
You know what? I'm in. Let's call everyone.
Hang on a minute. How dare you call this number? Okay, I'm in. Whatever.
Who's that?
That was my mom.
Hey, Donut, don't eat that.
Yo, what's up? Yeah, I'm in.
Yeah, sounds good. I'm in.
I'm in. Hey, Arthur, I quit.
I'm in.
T-Bone, is it the downstairs toilet again?
Hello, Tom. Dogecoin?
Sue, Mark.
Are you in? I'm in.
I'm in.
I'm in.
All right, this last one might be tough.
Nah, he loves you.
Probably just get another dentist. This guy. First, even if you wanted to come back, we wouldn't take you.
Yes, you would.
Yeah, we would.
You're right, we would. What's up?
I'm getting into crypto with FTX. You in?
We're providing gives 360-degree access to the crypto markets with the ability to trade everything from alts to DeFi. I believe I'm in, but still hate you.
Understood.
Take care. Best of the family.
Is he in?
Yep,
Did he say he hates you?
he did.
Even on the phone, that guy sounds handsome.
Well, yeah, everybody, Tom Brady today on Sunday, he's going to be in the St. Louis market, the Tampa Bay market, the Seattle market, all the markets that football is played today. It's going to come on at 1 o'clock and 4 o'clock and all the different time zones. You're going to hear about he's getting into something. He's going to be getting into cryptocurrency. Last week, he gave away a Bitcoin to a fan. He caught FTX and he says, let's make the trade. Let's take the football and give him a Bitcoin. I mean, all kinds of cool stuff. The other thing is, I appreciate Elon Musk and I appreciate Mark Cuban and all these celebrities that love to pump the Dogecoin and everything. But Tom Brady may be the only celebrity that's ever given away a Bitcoin to anybody. All these big celebrities out there, and we got Tom Brady, our football fan. Hey, we got our Brown shirts on today. Let's go Browns. So, you know, we're a Browns fan. But I love Tom Brady pumping this cryptocurrency. Everybody's going to know about it. Again, AM token, there's all kinds of news of possibly working with Amazon, possibly working with Walmart. I don't know. Those are pretty big companies. Let's have one of the two of them actually happens. You know, the coin right now is up. It's up 9%, everybody. Everybody's always sad that it's down. It's up right now. Let's jump around and have a party and stuff like that. And I don't think it's going to stop because we're going into the busiest season of the year when people are buying things. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Monday through Friday, we bring you a video every single day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays, we usually bring it around 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Once in a while, we'll bring you a bonus video around 6 or 7 o'clock at night if something pops real hard. Also, with Shiba Inu doing real good, we're going to be bringing some Shiba Inu videos going on. So don't forget to share this video with your friends. Click right here to see our most recent video. Today's Sunday. Let's have an awesome day, everyone.